Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make juicy crab. First, select fresh, live crabs for the best flavor and texture. Cleaning them thoroughly is crucial before cooking. The easiest and most effective method to ensure juicy crab is steaming, which locks in moisture and natural sweetness. Finally, serving them immediately with simple accompaniments enhances the experience, making for a truly delicious meal. Before cooking, proper preparation is key. Always choose live crabs to guarantee the freshest taste. Begin by rinsing each crab thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any debris. Next, carefully remove the gills and any internal organs, as these can impart an undesirable flavor. For larger crabs, you might want to crack the main claws slightly to allow for easier access to the succulent meat later on. Steaming is the secret to incredibly juicy crab. You'll need a large pot equipped with a steamer basket. Pour about 1 inch of water into the bottom of the pot, ensuring it doesn't touch the basket. Once the water is simmering, carefully place your prepared crabs into the steamer basket. Cover the pot tightly and steam for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of your crabs, until they turn a vibrant orange. Once your crabs are perfectly steamed, carefully remove them from the pot. For easier eating, you can further crack the shells of the body and claws. The best way to enjoy this simple delicacy is to serve it immediately with warm, melted butter and fresh lemon wedges on the side. Get ready to savor the sweet, tender, and incredibly juicy crab meat you've just prepared with this easy method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.